My name is Vahid Sohrabpour. I am a lecturer at Copenhagen Business School, Denmark, and I have established a startup accelerator in MENA region. I work with businesses and startups and scale-ups. I mentor them and train them. I help them to raise money, to grow, to develop organizations and many other services. Yes, it's my first time that I'm attending this event, Startup Istanbul. It's amazing. A huge number of startups have applied for this event. I guess it's over 160,000. And very high quality startups were pitching today. It's very inspiring and growing event in MENA region. Out of many points that I try to assess, I can give a few simple ones. For example, what's the problem? It's the most important question. And then, how big is this problem? And then, how frequent is this problem? Then it comes to the solution, that what's the solution for this problem? And then, what's the team to fix this problem and provide the solution? These are main points. Normally, especially for engineers, is like they come up with a solution and then they look for a problem. It doesn't work that way, but I've seen that in many different countries, different cultures, different startups, different accelerators. But in short, it's the problem first, then solution, then the team. Yeah, actually I see. Since many startups have applied here, it's like 160,000 or 161,000. So the ones that have gone through screening, they've been very good ones. And now the ones they're pitching is like they've chosen out of thousands of others, and they have a very high quality. In every batch I see 3 to 4 promising ones. Yeah, I've been attending many international startup events. I think Startup Istanbul is similar to Startup Ule in Spain, and it's growing in the same way. They normally have that event in Salamanca University, and this one, Startup Istanbul, has a similar scale, a similar type of startup event. But I think more startups have applied to Startup Istanbul compared to Startup Ule. Since I'm more expertized in supply chain management and logistics, so I'm more interested in those sort of startups. But normally I look into the variety of them. Of course, Startup Istanbul is amazing, it's flourishing. I would love to come back here. And I think the organizers can follow the same steps compared to Slush in Finland. They started in 2000, I guess, 8 or 9 with 20 attendants, and now it's over 20,000 people attending every year. So I think Startup Istanbul has this opportunity. Istanbul itself is in a very strategic location and can absorb lots of talent, funding, investments, and experts from whole Europe and Middle East.